Similar to a first aid kit for physical injuries, such as this, our kit is essentially a first aid kit that is used to help people experiencing depressive episodes. The reason we came up with this idea is because, one, depressive episodes are similar to physical injuries in that it can happen at any time, and sometimes they require immediate care that does not necessarily warrant a visit to the hospital.
And number two, mental health disorders are still stigmatized in society today. So we wanted to help diffuse this by providing a project that is based on something we already accept and see every day, which makes it easier to integrate into our lives. This kit includes six components that each embody a mindfulness or CBT technique that can help people get through a depressive episode.
In the interest of time, our video will only show a few of these components in action.
Gosh, Carl, I'm really overwhelmed. It's finals week. My dog is sick back home. I don't know, I just feel like I really need something to help me get through the days.
Oh no, did you hear that we got the new mindfulness and CBT first aid kit? Would you want to try to see if this would help you?
Sure, yeah.
Alright, let's see what this kit has.
What is this one?
I think that's called the body scan guide.
Okay, can we try it? Can I try it?
Sure.
Notice any sensations of your feet touching the floor. The weight, the pressure, if there's any vibration or heat. Notice your legs. Notice how they feel against the chair, the floor, whatever you're sitting on. Notice any pressure, pulsing, heaviness, or lightness. Notice your back against the chair. If you're sitting upright, unsupported, notice how that feels. Notice the hands. Are they tense or tight? See if you can allow them to soften.
What is this one, Carl?
Oh, this is the roses and thorns. This is a CBT technique that helps you reframe your thoughts. You think about 3 bad things that are happening, which represent the thorns, and then you think of 5 good things that are happening, and these represent the petals. This technique helps you magnify the positive things while minimizing the negative things.
Okay, there's definitely a lot of bad things that happened today. First one, I was late to school because I missed the shuttle. I'm still really worried about my dog. And I guess now to the petals. Because I was running late, I guess I did get to pet a really cute dog. That was nice. I got free food today at work.
That's nice.
Yeah, you're right. What does this one do, Carl?
This is the psychotherapy robot. It tries to listen to you and validates all your feelings. Do you want to give it a shot? Just tell it whatever you're feeling right now.
Okay, well, I'm feeling really sad right now about my dog. But I guess I am pretty excited and happy that I'm graduating this year. Yeah, it is.